Hello everyone. Take the center portion of the hair and then comb the hair through. After this, put another comb at the top and then twist the hair once. Come a little lower and then make a straight cut at the bottom. Once you have done this, comb the hair into place and this is what you should be left with. After this, pull the comb through once more and then begin to make your vertical cuts. After you have made your vertical cuts, the hair should be blended. Now take one side of the hair and then pull a comb through it, use a hair straightener to it and make it fluffed out. Curl it slightly outside. Make it face the rest of the hair as such. Next, take two sections of the hair from the front and then make them very small sections. Bring them to the level of the nose and then make two scuts in it. Now for the rest of the hair in the side, cut it at the base of the neck. Pull a comb through it and then make a diagonal cut to make it match the center cut that you had already made. After you have done this, make vertical cuts in the hair. Make it frame the face well as such. Make a diagonal cut on the other side as well and repeat the same steps that you did on the other side. Once you are done making the vertical cuts, you may pull a comb through it. Use a hair straightener in order to fluff it out a little bit. This will add volume to the hair, make it stand outwards as such. Make it frame the face well as well. Curve the ends ever so slightly as you reach it. Next, take the center portion of the hair, pull a comb through it and then begin to cut it. Make very small delicate cuts to it and then take the next two sections of the hair right beside it as such. Put it at the nose level and then make two straight cuts to it. As for the other sides, cut it at around the chin level. Do the same on the other side as well. Next, take one side of the hair and then make a diagonal cut so that it matches the level that is present in the center. Now do the same on the other side as well, and before you do so, make the vertical cuts so that it blends in perfectly. Now once you move on to the other side, repeat this exact step. Now move on to the next section of the hair that is comparatively longer and do the same. Taking the longer section, pull a comb through it and then make your diagonal cuts accordingly and make it merge in with the rest of the hair. Do the same on the other side. While you are doing this, make sure that you do not cut off too much of the hair. Be careful while doing so. Next, put the front portion of the hair in front of the face. Take two small sections from the front, twist the hair in the front and then cut it at around the eye level. Once you have done this, cut the other two side portions at around the base of the neck. Now pull a comb through one of the sides, including the center, and then make vertical and diagonal cuts to it as such. Make it blend with each of the sections. Pull a hair straightener through and then fluff it out, add volume to it, and then in the sides make it frame the face. Thank you for watching.